For the first project, you will need a bunch of roses, a mason jar, burlap tulle, twine, burlap ribbon, scissors, and some moss. We are measuring the burlap to the mason jar to get the perfect fit. We're using a glue gun for time's sake, but if you want to make this project permanent, you can use Mod Podge or permanent glue. We are taking the twine and wrapping it around at the top of the mason jar 3 times. Then we're cutting it and we are gluing it. And then we're going to take the twine and wrap it around to make the bow. You can skip this part if you choose to, because this part is optional. We are cutting the little hearts out and we are going to put it on the twine and then apply it on the mason jar. For the second project, you will need an assortment of flowers from the Dollar Tree, a mini wreath from the Dollar Tree, burlap tulle, wire, wire cutters, scissors, and a mini wooden heart. On this part, we will leave it up to you. You can create with your own creativity on how you see fit for the wreath, or you can use the pattern we're using. There's really no right or wrong. It will all end up nice in the end. third project, you will need 3 bunches of roses from the Dollar Tree, a vessel of your choice, dry moss, regular moss, wire cutters, and some type of embellishment of your choice. You can skip this part. You don't have to use the moss. The moss is only optional. You can skip this part if you choose not to put an embellishment onto your rose decor. This does complete our tutorial for today. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.